Stop wasting hours on ads that don't convert. Meet Adstorm AI instant, proven ads. Create high-converting ads for any platform, any language, in seconds. Complete ads, images, videos, UGC, headlines, and multiple variations, ready to publish. One dashboard. Multi-AI models. Choose the best generator for your campaign. One-time payment plus commercial license. Unlimited use. No monthly fees. No monthly fees. Fast in seconds. URL in. Platform chosen. Ads generated. Publish. Traditional ad creation is slow, expensive, and inconsistent. Adstorm automates everything from creative to copy, optimized per platform. No design skills, no copywriting required. The AI handles it. Enter a product URL, select a platform, and watch complete ads appear. Choose between multiple AI engines to compare style, tone, and performance. Everything included: images, videos, UGC, headlines, ad angles, and variations. Pick Facebook. Generate carousel images, headlines, primary text, and CTAs. Pick TikTok. Vertical videos, trending hooks, native captions, creator style, UGC. Pick YouTube. Skippable and non-skippable video ads with optimized scripts. Pick Google. Search headlines, responsive display ads, and image assets. AI creates every asset in the right size, length, and tone instantly. Generate headlines, ad angles, and dozens of variations for A/B testing fast. Paste a product URL into the dashboard search bar. Select platform, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or Google with one click. Choose an AI model or run multiple models to compare outputs instantly. Hit generate. In seconds, you get full ads across formats and languages. See image banners, vertical video, UGC-style clips, and headline variations appear. Preview, tweak, or export everything instantly with a commercial license included. One-time payment grants lifetime access and a commercial license for your ads. Use it for clients, agencies, or your own brand. Unlimited campaigns, unlimited assets. Multiple AIs mean you always pick the highest converting creative for your niche. Limited launch pricing is live now. This offer won't last forever. Ready-made ads, faster testing, and more conversions start dominating ad spend today. Hit the link below to grab access while the launch is still live.